Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about Asia Pacific University of Technology and Innovation. This university is located in Malaysia and we'll talk about the scholarship opportunities present here in that university for international students. So you'll come here, I'll add the link in the description, and then you'll come here and study at APU and then merit scholarships. You can see here APU Malaysian scholarships and merit awards, APU International Student Scholarship and Merit Awards, and similarly. And if you will come here for international students, here you can see the international students application procedure, why study in Malaysia, and international student guide, study abroad, Malaysian international scholarships, all available. So I'll come here first and take a look here APU International Student Scholarships and Merit Awards. You'll click here. After you'll come here, then you can scroll down, and so you can take a look here. APU Scholarships and Merit Awards for international students are available to new international students on first come first serve basis. As part of our continuous effort to provide better opportunity to pursue higher education at Malaysia award-winning university, we are offering deserving and talented school leavers a wide range of fee award leading to discounts. So yeah, and merit award or fee award leading to discounts as follows. Okay. So they have their criteria like qualification, and then if you have minimum score in 2023-24 final results, and then APU merit, and this will be the discount in your fee. Merit award are awarded on yearly basis and are renewable, meeting minimum 3.0 at the end of each academic year. And these are some conditions which you can take a look here. All award lead to fee discounts on first come first serve basis by paying application and processing fee of that much, and then application must meet the minimum entry requirements, award limited tuition fee, and application deadline. All the details are mentioned here. To apply for the scholarship, you need to fill that form and then submit. Now I'll come back and study at APU. Then you will come here international students, and then this is the international student application procedure. You can take a look here. Initiating an application, then confirming your admission. These are some requirements which you need to take a look. Visa and then student arrival, and all the details are mentioned here. For study at APU and then international students and Malaysian International Scholarship, Malaysian International Scholarship Program, you can take a look here. Who are eligible for Malaysian International Scholarship, you can take a look here. Not be more than 45 years, obtain a minimum second class upper honors of CGPA that much, and took one of the following English language proficiency tests not more than 2 years before the date of application. The list of tests and minimum scores are required here mentioned. Excellent health and wrote the research proposal. All the details are mentioned here. What is covered under, so what is the coverage of the scholarship will be air tickets and approved tuition fee, monthly maintenance allowance, annual grant for books, medical and health insurance, relation and termination grant, thesis allowance, and all the details are mentioned here. Priority study areas. So if you are applying for these areas, then you are eligible for the scholarship. Selection criteria, you can take a look here, and general condition of award, how to apply, all the details are mentioned here. How you can apply for Malaysian International Scholarship. Yeah, Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will add this link in the description. You can take a look. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Take care and bye bye.